From the Applicants tab, you can select all applicants and send them a video screening test by shortlisting them through bulk action. Once the status is updated, the VST will be sent to the applicants automatically. In the VST tab, you can view the list of applicants to whom the VST has been sent. After an applicant submits their VST, their response will appear in the VST section of their profile. You can also send a reminder to any applicant who has not yet completed the test. For example, on the applicant's end, Rahat Khan will receive an email and a notification inviting him to take the VST. In the VST tab, he will read the VST instructions and agree to proceed to the next step. He will complete a checklist and then click to start the VST. After granting access to his camera and microphone, he will begin the test. On the next page, the questions will appear one by one within a set time frame. At the final stage, he will submit the completed VST to the portal. Back on the recruiter's end, the submitted video will be available along with a scoreboard for evaluation. You can evaluate the applicant based on their performance. Additionally, in the VST tab of the job post, you can track who has completed the VST, how many tests are still pending, how many VSTs have been evaluated, how many are left to be evaluated,